Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. This appeal is directed against the judgment and final order dated 23rd December 2008 passed by the High Court of Punjab and Haryana at Chandigarh in Civil Writ Petition number 575 of 2004, whereby the High Court allowed the writ petition filed by the state of Haryana stop. According to the appellant, in December 1991, he was appointed as Mali on casual basis in Public Works Department stop. On 31 January 1993, his service was terminated without any notice or retrenchment compensation as provided in the Industrial Disputes Act 1947 stop. After knowing that persons similarly appointed were either allowed to continue or regularized by the department, the appellant sent a notice to the respondent stop. Since the department declined to accede to his request, appellant made a reference number 81 of 1999 before the Labour Court, Union Territory Chandigarh stop. He pleaded before the Labour Court that he had completed more than 240 days of service and all along he was performing his duties at the residence of the Chief Minister, Haryana stop. The government has made a policy that persons who have completed 240 days of service may be regularized. However, instead of regularization of his services, he was terminated with effect from 31st January 1993 stop. He prayed before the Labour Court for setting the order of termination of his service and for an award for reinstatement with full back wages stop. It is the case of the department that the workman has not completed 240 days of service except in the year 1992 stop. He has not fulfilled the circular dated 27 May 1993 entitling him for regularization of his service stop. Further, the government has not framed any policy to regularize the service of persons who have completed 240 days as claimed para. Before the Labour Court, the workman himself was examined as AW1 stop. On the side of the department, one junior engineer was examined as MW1 stop. On consideration of the materials placed, the Labour Court by award dated 10th February 2003 has arrived at a conclusion that the workman has worked with the department for a period of more than 240 days within 12 calendar months preceding the date of termination, that is 31st January 1993, and in view of non-compliance of Section 25F of the Act, he is entitled to reinstatement stop. The Labour Court has also directed reinstatement with continuity of service with 50% back wages from the date of termination stop. With the above direction, reference was accepted and answered in the affirmative stop. Aggrieved by the said award of the Labour Court, the state of Haryana challenged the same in CWP number 575 of 2004 before the Punjab and Haryana High Court stop. By the impugned order dated 23rd December 2008, the High Court set aside the award of the Labour Court granting reinstatement and back wages, consequently allowed the writ petition stop, questioning the said decision of the High Court, the workman has filed the present appeal by way of special leave stop. Heard, learned counsel for the appellant workman as well as learned counsel for the respondent state of Haryana stop. The only point for consideration in this appeal is whether the High Court was justified in setting aside the award of the Labour Court when the appellant had established that he was in continuous service for a period of 240 days in a calendar year, particularly when similarly placed workmen were regularized by the government stop.